Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off sensitive content settings on iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the Twitter application. Then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on settings and support, and then you need to click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll, and here you need to click on privacy and safety. Then you need to click on content you see, and you simply need to turn that off, display media that may contain sensitive content, and click on search settings, and you can also hide sensitive content from here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.